I'm just trying to stay alive and make it to the other side of the island by tomorrow morning. On December 22nd, 2019, I departed Ventura Harbor on an impromptu backpacking trip to Santa Rosa Island, which is a part of the Channel Islands. Longitude 120 degrees west, latitude 34 degrees north. Legendary oceanographer Jacques Cousteau and his son, Jean-Michel, routinely explored the Channel Islands. Their underwater adventures brought the hidden wonders of these islands to the world's attention.
Remnants of the ancient Pacific. They are the Channel Islands. Here the past endures in watery primordial forests and wild populations abound, recalling a time on Earth before the time of man.
Close to the mainland, yet worlds apart, Santa Rosa Island, along with the other Channel Islands, is home to flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth. Like on the Galapagos Islands of South America, isolation has allowed evolution to proceed independently on the islands, fostering the development of nearly 150 unique plants and animals. Oh, too much. It was a gorgeous hike down Lobo Canyon. I ended up going like 7 miles. It's dark, it's only like 5, but I'm gonna cook some food and just chill. I haven't done this in like 2 years, so my legs are feeling it. My hips. Santa Rosa Island bears witness to the temperamental whims of Mother Nature. The weather here can change abruptly, shifting from serene to inhospitable in the blink of an eye. The island's exposed coastal location makes it vulnerable to gusting winds and sudden fog banks, reminding us that even in this idyllic sanctuary, nature's power reigns supreme.
Channel Islands, 8 mountain summits rising from the Pacific near Southern California. What civilization overruns elsewhere, nature itself guards here. Man must contend with weather and waves that sweep across the largest ocean on Earth, with rocky shores offering few landfalls, with tortuous currents that can bedevil, and hidden reefs that can impale and dismantle.
Because this was a spur-of-the-moment trip, I failed to sufficiently prepare, and I packed poorly. As the weather worsened, the expedition turned from an exciting adventure to a miserable couple days of survival.
Not too thrilled about the weather. Probably should have done a little bit more better planning, gear-wise, and camp-wise. Right now the wind, I had to move because I was getting flooded. And I was so soaked, I couldn't go too far. So I found a spot where the bottom vegetation is wind, there's no wind cover. It's like 11:30 in the morning. I don't get picked up for 24 hours. I'm soaked. Which is getting through the tent. Just trying to stay alive. Make it to the other side of the island. So there's not going to be much of a video probably because I just got to stay dry for the next day. I get picked up in 24 or 26 hours. So I need to get to the other side of the island in the morning. And the canyon that I hiked here, it's going to be pretty wet. I'm worried it's going to be flooded, so.
I got 4 hours. I don't really want to kayak because I don't want to get wet. But some really nice people hauled my kayak, tied it to the boat, unloaded it off the boat. I got my GoPro, I got my kayak, I got my rain gear on. Let's do it. We got one last adventure today.
Up and lost my GoPro, which had all the good footage from this trip. So this adventure video is going to be lacking all the good. I did a lot more than you're going to see. Seals, kayaking, running around in the rain on the beach, dope clips. Man, I want to come here when the weather is good the whole time because we're about to leave in about an hour and this is the best weather the whole
trip. It's just like glassy ocean, blue skies. Check it. See, this is tropical. I dealt with like just wet mud. It was rough. I had wet socks all yesterday, and I had wet socks all today. We'll get on that boat and head back to the mainland.
6:33 now. New this morning, a shark attack in Santa Barbara County. A surfer now recovering happened near Santa Rosa Island yesterday afternoon. This is video here from the Coast Guard. Coast Guard officials say the 37-year-old man was surfing with a friend when a shark bit his leg.
The man was bitten in his right leg while swimming off the northwest side of Santa Rosa Island. This is video of the rescue. You can see the tourniquet wrapped around his right leg as he's airlifted to safety by a Coast Guard helicopter. He's reportedly in stable condition and is expected to be okay.
I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. The